Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Meridian Credit Union. Review my usage experience. Meridian Credit Union is a financial institution offering a range of banking services, targeting individuals and businesses primarily in Ontario. They appear to focus on community banking and offer services like checking and savings accounts, loans, mortgages, and investment options. Key features likely include online banking and potentially a mobile app. Their website, meridiancu.ca, or something similar, provides details on their various products and services. They emphasize member ownership and community involvement. Their website suggests a focus on competitive rates and personalized service, potentially highlighting no-fee accounts or special offers. It looks like they utilize modern online banking technology with secure access and potentially features like e-transfers and bill payments. Availability would be limited to their service area, which you can likely check on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Meridian Credit Union. I decided to switch to Meridian from a larger bank because I was looking for a more community-focused institution. Getting started was surprisingly easy. I opened a checking and savings account online, and the entire process took less than 30 minutes. The online interface is clean and intuitive. Navigating between accounts, paying bills, and setting up automatic transfers is straightforward. I was particularly impressed by their mobile app, which allows me to deposit checks using my phone's camera. The app's performance is smooth and reliable. I've used it to check my balance, transfer funds, and even locate nearby ATMs without any issues. I did have a quick question about international money transfers, and their support responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. One standout feature for me is their personalized financial advice. I scheduled a free consultation online, and the advisor provided valuable insights into saving for a down payment on a house. One minor drawback I've noticed is that their branch network isn't as extensive as some larger banks, but this hasn't been a major issue for me as I primarily bank online. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Meridian Credit Union. They offer a great blend of technology, personalized service, and competitive rates. That's my overview of Meridian Credit Union. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.